Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on a ear tip fit for your headphones Huawei FreeBuds XI. You have to start by open Huawei application, now choose your device, then scroll down and click on tip fit test. Now put your headphones on your ears and then click on continue. Then on start. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.